Hey everybody, it's time for part two where we're talking about NSFs. And in this case, it's going to be called Insufficient Funds Lead to Insightful Opportunities. Now, last month we established that the CFPB proposal to actually remove NSF fees from RTP and FedNow, it's actually not necessary because these are credit push only systems where no debits occur. Now, if the CFPB does want to get involved and maybe advocate to help consumers when they are unable to send a credit push due to lack of funds availability, I got some ideas for them. Actually, I got some ideas for some financial institutions on what they could do to be able to enhance the consumer experience when using instant payments. Number one, when somebody's unable to send a payment, provide some instant feedback. Have you ever been in a situation where you're presented with that message that says, you don't have enough money available? And you're left wondering, what do I do next? Well, you can swap the generic and highly negative declined for some positive instant insights. You could show customers their account balance and how much they actually are able to send right now. You could possibly highlight maybe some recent spending that has put them in this position and estimate when funds will be available to them. This can help build transparency, financial literacy, and empower smarter budgeting. Something else you could do, be proactive in financial education. If they're having frequent credit push fails, this could trigger targeted financial literacy resources, budgeting tools, curated articles, even personalized workshops. The CFPB can support this by creating and promoting a library of accessible financial wellness materials for the banks and credit unions to leverage and provide to their account holders. What about maybe giving some alternative solutions? Don't just say no. Say no, but you can do this. Offer some safe alternative options. Like maybe let them know, hey, you can use FedNow or instant payment to instantly transfer funds from savings or from a checking account at another financial institution to be able to support the payment you're trying to make. Or you might even be able to transfer it out of a online app like say Venmo or Cash App or Robinhood. And hopefully you're not storing money there. But if you are, you can put it over in your bank account so you can be able to move it to make the payment you're trying to make. And this can be used again to be able to fund your account so you can do that instant payment and be able to proceed with the transaction. Financial institutions may be establishing pre approved credit lines, small ones, offer secure access to small amounts, emphasizing responsible borrowing practices. You can even do this to help people build their credit. Maybe look at things like pausing reoccurring payments, avoid missed payments, and late fees by demonstrating proactive money management. You could also incentivize smart choices. The CFPB can encourage banks to reward responsible spending habits. Financial institutions think of doing things like this: bonus cashback, loyalty points, early access to features, or when they have a lot more successful credit pushes, raising those limits of what they can do, which limit's probably going to be, the network limits or what's in their account. But anyway, move on. And why don't we just take that decline and turn it into a lifeline? As a financial institution, you're in a position where you can offer a small or micro loan with real low interest. It's something that could be pre approved for when they have a decline credit push up to a certain amount. This could empower customers. This could build trust. This could help consumers from having to suffer through that financial stress. Turning declines into learning opportunities, it builds trust and customer loyalty. It's a win 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 for everyone. Financial institutions, you get to retain that account holder. Consumers, hopefully you're learning to make better financial decisions, but you're able to make that payment you needed to make. The CFPB, well, by offering resources and promoting these practices, you're actually going to play that role that you're supposed to in driving positive shifts and creating more financially empowered people within our society. And all of this because of instant payments that are providing instant solutions. But for now, class dismissed.